Here's a pair of the Sony headphones. This is the M6 model. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Roku TV via Bluetooth. Now take note, some Roku TV models is not compatible or is not capable of using Bluetooth headphones or earbuds, okay? So if you want to check really quickly, all you got to do is just go to the home page on your Roku TV, then you want to go to settings on the left pane here. We're going to go down to settings. Click on enter on the remote. From here, we're going to go down to remotes and devices right there. Select on OK. Now, if you don't have Bluetooth headphones and speakers, then you don't have built-in Bluetooth on your Roku TV. Okay, so my other Roku TVs will only have like remotes and speakers, but it won't have this Bluetooth headphones and speakers. Okay, but even if you don't have that, a workaround would be to download the Roku app on your phone, and then you can connect the Bluetooth headphones there. Okay, but anyway, for this video, we're going to do a direct connection. So we're just going to go to Bluetooth headphones and speakers. Let me go ahead and select that. And now I got tons of other headphones and earbuds connected here, but I got to go all the way down to add new Bluetooth audio device. Okay, but before I click on that, let's go ahead and put this in a pairing mode first. So these headphones are currently off. Okay, let me go ahead and turn it on with that power button. I'm going to press and hold. Now I'll know that it's in pairing mode. It's blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, I get like a blue and then a blue, 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 blue. The reason is because I'm connected to one of my phones that is near me. So for myself, I have to manually put this in a pairing mode. So let me turn these off first. Power button here. I'm going to press and hold for a few seconds. Now it's turning off. Now, while the headphones are off, I'm going to press and hold that power button, and I'm going to keep holding until the light here starts blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, power button, press and hold, keep holding. Just wait, wait. Blue, 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 blue. There we go. We're in pairing mode. Now let's try to shoot over to our Roku TV. Click on add new Bluetooth audio device. Okay on the remote there. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet for Bluetooth range. And what do you know? It found the MX6s right there. It's already highlighted. I'm going to OK it right there. It says connecting. Oh, I just heard a connecting chime on the headphones, and it says you are done. So it looks like we are connected, and you can see the check mark right there notifying that we are currently connected. So pretty simple. Now, if you still had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always do a factory reset on these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.